Okay, welcome back to question 8. Just a little apology. There's going to be some noise in the background. Also, this camera dies in like an hour, so it is now tomorrow, or it has been tomorrow for a few videos. But let's take a look at question 8. A group of 2 to the n minus 1 routers are interconnected in a centralized binary tree with a router at each tree node. Router I communicates with router U by sending a message to the root of the tree. The root then sends a message back down the tree to V. Derive an expression for the average number of hops per message for a router to communicate with another router. You do not have to simplify the expression derived. Hint, use the height of a router from the root of the tree. Okay. Well, if I think about it in terms of height, I could say I have the height of U, I have the height of V, I have 2 to the n, quantity minus 1, routers, right? And let's go ahead and say we're looking for the average, right? The average is the first moment or the expectation of the system. So, okay, the average here, the average, I guess, hops is going to be equal to 1 over the total number of hops that can happen, which is going to be, let's see, there are 2 to the n minus 1 routers, and they can make this many hops, right? We choose 2 of them, and that's, so 2 to the n minus 1 routers, choosing 2 is the quantity that gives us the total number of possible connections in this system. So that will give us 1 over this quantity will help us get our average over the sum of the height of U plus the height of V. And let's see, does that make sense? Yes, I think it does. So these are my quantities, the occurrences. The sum of this is the occurrences divided by this is the total, so that would be our average. Okay. So that's it. That's all there is to this question, right? If you think about it, if this is the height, right? So if I have a tree, let's say it looks like this. Let's say this is U, and let's say this is V. Has to go back to the root. So okay, the height here is 1 layer down, 2 layers down for both. Yeah, so this makes sense. Okay, and I will see you back in question 9.